In the Academy of Athens, Plato led his students to a dimly lit basement. An oil lamp burned in the room, its light casting vague shadows on the walls. Pointing to the shadows, he asked, "Tell me, what do you see?" The students replied, "A table, chairs, a vase, and your cane." Plato smiled, turned, and removed a thick cloth from the table. Slowly, he covered a portion of the oil lamp, causing the shadows to distort. He asked again, and now the students exchanged uncertain glances until one finally said, "They're distorted. They no longer resemble the originals." Plato removed the cloth, and the shadows returned to their former shapes. Speaking slowly, he said, "These shadows are the reality you take for granted. But are they truly the essence of those objects?" One student asked, "But teacher, if they are not shadows, how else would we perceive these items?" Plato nodded, walked to the corner, and retrieved a smooth bronze mirror. Holding it before the lamp, he reflected its light, making the shadows on the wall brighter and sharper, yet more complex. He explained, "Power and habit are like this mirror. They can make the shadows clearer but obscure the truth that they are merely shadows. You trust these shadows because you have never left this room. But if the lamp itself is false, then the shadows it casts are even more deceptive." A student hesitantly asked, "How can we be sure that these shadows aren't the entirety of reality?" Plato smiled faintly. "The only way to see the real world is to leave this basement and step into the sunlight. But sunlight is harsh, and many will choose to return to the shadows because they are familiar and safe." The students fell silent. Plato concluded, "Your thoughts and perceptions are often shaped by habit and power. The brave man is not the one who trusts in the shadows, but the one who dares to face the sunlight, even when it is uncomfortable." He blew out the oil lamp, and the basement was swallowed in darkness. His voice echoed through the void. "Remember, shadows can never replace truth, and habit can never define it."